Glenwood, Vietnam, we believe that reliable testing is more than a requirement. It is a responsibility. Behind every food product, every water sample, and every safety decision is a system that must work accurately and consistently. That is why we help industries strengthen their testing and monitoring systems through reliable solutions backed by over 30 years of experience. We support food manufacturers, seafood processors, feed mills, laboratories, government institutions, water facilities, and industrial operations with practical solutions designed to support their daily testing, monitoring, and quality control needs. Our portfolio includes microbiological test kits, environmental sampling tools, hygiene training materials, water quality testing solutions, laboratory supplies, and equipment. As we strengthen our presence in Vietnam, we aim to expand our offerings further and provide industries with a comprehensive, one-stop source for food, feed, and water safety solutions. Our team is composed of microbiologists, chemists, industry-trained professionals who work closely with clients to provide technical guidance, proper implementation support, and dependable after-sales service. We help organizations select the right solutions, apply them effectively, and strengthen the monitoring programs that protect their operations and the people they serve. Because reliable testing is not only about having the right products. It is about having the right partner who understands your operations and supports your goals and remains with you long after the testing solution is delivered. At Glenwood, Vietnam, we bring proven experience and technical excellence closer to the industries we serve, helping build safer systems, stronger operations, and a higher standard of food, feed, and water safety in Vietnam.